To change the voice in Premiere Pro, start by having some voice recordings in your sequence. Play back the recorded audio clip to ensure it's the one you want to modify. Next, click on the voice and navigate to the Effects tab, usually located on the left side. In the Effects tab, type in Pitch and press Enter. Then look for the pitch shifter under Audio Effects, Time, and Pitch. You can either double-click the pitch shifter or hold and drag it onto your audio clip. After adding the pitch shifter, go to the Effect controls and find the pitch shifter. If it's not immediately visible, scroll up or down until you see it. Extend the pitch shifter by double-clicking or clicking on the arrow at the far left. Then click Edit next to Custom Setup. This is where you'll change the voice. Modify the semitones, either increasing or decreasing them. For example, decreasing the semitones to around -5 will result in a lower, deeper voice, while increasing them will produce a higher, more chipmunk-like sound. Play back the audio to hear the changes and adjust the semitones as needed. In addition to modifying the semitones, you can also switch between high, medium, or low precision and experiment with different settings. Uncheck Use appropriate default settings and adjust the overlapping and splicing frequency to your liking. Continue to play back the audio, making adjustments until you achieve the desired sound. Once you're satisfied with the changed voice, simply close the settings, and you've successfully modified your audio clip.